So we're checking out a cool product here from LadderLimb. This is the ability to add a third hand that's going to help you on your projects, because what this is a little insert that you can slide into your ladder. Now, a lot of us have got the little giant little ladders that have a nice little opening like that. And what the LadderLimb does is it is a reinforced rubber with a metal insert inside. But what this will do is you can slide this in to the ladder, and it will, obviously as it gets larger, it'll get to the point where it kind of sticks in there, and you can kind of jam it in there. And then you're going to be able to hang a tool or a bucket with some screws in it, or a variety of different things. And then, of course, when it's time to come out, you just give it a twist, and it comes right out, and you have got the ability to make use of a third hand, which you won't have in most applications. So it's very easy to do and quick, and it's going to be a very helpful thing for a lot of folks. You can go to LadderLimb.com to check this out, and we'll have a link in the description below so you can go and find these online and grab yourself one for your next project where you need to use a ladder.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.